You leave, but not everything stays behind. Some things travel with you. In memory, in instinct, in the way your hands remember, from the north back to the south. In Bentota, it begins again, familiar but not the same. The dishes, the same steps carried across and brought to life once more. A little of Jaffna now here, not recreated, but remembered, and then shared with new faces in a different place. Because some journeys don't end, they just continue. And in the end, it was never just about where we went, but what we brought back.